Snake, try to remember some of the basics of CQC.
Not good!
I wanna push out right now, but I don't feel like I can do it in earnest right now. It's great. It's awesome. You know, but like if I'm gonna be real here, chat, if I started like squeeing and stuff, it'd be fake. It's great. It's awesome, but like I can appreciate it, but I don't.
I picked up a few new moves. Huh. It doesn't feel right to shoot an unarmed man. But I'll get over it. Eva!
This is very yaoi pilled though. It is cinema and it's so yaoi pilled. If I didn't feel just fucking dead inside right now, I'd be fujoing out. It's Kino. It's so fucking Kino, but I just.
What do you say to one last showdown?
Yeah, all right.
Well, I'm pressing RB, but it's not.
What's your name?
Snake.
No. Not that name.
Look at the
You're
correct
not
button.
a snake, and I'm not an ocelot. We're men with names. My name is Adamska. What's yours?
John.
Very well, John.
Adam!
Plain name. But I won't forget it. Come on!
Oh god, I don't know, 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 I wasn't paying attention, I tried, I just pick one, go with your heart, go with your heart, left! Fuck it, left. That was what I first thought of, that's what I went with. Fuck it, I don't know. Okay. Oh shit. Oh shit.
It's a blank.
Did I do it right? Did I do a good job? Did I do a good job?
That was fun. Till we meet again, John.
I hate you so much. I hate you so much. I hate this fucking Cuntron 5000 so much.
Oh no, Migs!
Huh?
There's no way out. What are we gonna do?
We've come too far to let them stop us now.
Yeah, with the horse!
Those things have got to be armed.
It's no use. There's no way we can outmaneuver them. They're gonna shoot us down. We were so close.
Weapon systems on.
Locked on target. I got towed.
You were great, Eva.
Huh?
Thanks.
Dance with me again and
Fucking hell! Kill yourself! Fuck! Shut up! Go away! Leave! What's that got? It's based. Based. Based, 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 based. Fucking hell. Go. Yes! 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 Finally! Oh my god! Fuck. I fell for it. I hate women. I hate women. I hate women. I hate women. I fell for it. Fuck. Never again. Never again.
Good morning, Snake.
Fuck.
I hope you slept well.
Fuck.
First of all, I have to apologize.
I fell for.
I
Fuck.
wasn't sent by Khrushchev.
Fuck.
KGB spy, and I never worked for the NSA.
Fuck.
People's Republic of China.
Fucking hell.
Second Department of the People's Liberation Army.
Fuck.
A lie.
No, it's fine. I just didn't fuck.
And I'm sorry.
I hate women. I hate women. I hate women. I hate women so fucking much. Fuck it, I'm never falling for a head pairing ever again. This is why Mafujo. This is why Mafujo.
Exist in China too.
I'm never having a straight ship ever again. Fuck this game. Fucking hell.
And steal it.
Fucking hell.
But I can't do it. Not because we loved each other. And not because you saved my life. But because I made a promise to the boss.
Did we get
And I
cucked by our
intend to
mom?
keep it.
You are above even the boss.
No.
I hereby award you the title of Big Boss.
No. 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 No.
You are a true patriot.
No. Left? Left? Oh. Huh? Huh? What the fuck are you doing there? It doesn't... I expected it. I expected it to feel all glorious. I expected the origin story of Big Boss to just be something
We could use
amazing,
an
but
infiltration unit like Fox in the army.
it wasn't.
Someone like him to handle our top secret sneaking missions for us.
He was betrayed and used.
A man who combines the qualities of a soldier and an agent.
The boss's defection was a ruse set up by the US government. It was all a big drama staged by Washington so they could get their hands on the philosopher's legacy. And the boss was the star of the show. They planned it so that they could get the legacy that Colonel Volgin inherited and destroy the Shagohod at the same time. Only a legendary hero like the boss could have earned Volgin's trust. Finding out where the philosopher's legacy was hidden was to be her greatest mission. Everything was going according to plan. Research. Her life would be ended by her most beloved disciple. That was the way the government wanted it. That was the mission she was given, and she had no choice but to carry it out. Her death at your hands was a duty she had to fulfill. Out of duty, she turned her back on her own comrades. A lesser woman would have been crushed by such a burden. The taint of disgrace will follow her to her grave.
And they'll remember her as a traitor.
Future generations
Everybody
will
used
revile
him.
her. In America, she will go down in official history as a
No.
war criminal.
No.
And no one will ever understand her.
No.
That was her final mission. And like a true soldier, she saw it through to the end. But I think she wanted you, of all people, to know the truth. She wanted to live on in your memory. Not as a soldier, but as a woman. But she was forbidden to tell you herself. And that's why she told me. Snake, history will never know what
No.
she did. No one will ever learn the truth. Her story, her debriefing, will endure
No.
only in your heart.
No. No.
Everything she did,
No.
she did for her country. She
No.
sacrificed her life and her honor for her native land.
No. 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 I hate this game. Fuck you, Kojima. Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh no. Fuck this game. I hate fuck. 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 I feel sick. 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 I feel genuinely nauseous.